according to Hasan Basri rahmatullah alayh, there is no harm in caressing and hugging her. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, when someone gifts a slave girl or sells her or manumits her, one should ensure that she is not pregnant up to period of start of menses, but there is no need to do so in case of a virgin. Atta said there is no harm in enjoying benefit from parts other than private parts of a pregnant slave girl. And Allah the Exalted has said, except their wives or lawful handmaids who are the property of their hand. Surah Al-Mu'minun verse 6. Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went towards Khaybar, so Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made Khaybar fall for him. The beauty of Safiya, the daughter of Hoi, the son of Akhtab, was mentioned to him. Her husband was slain and she was a bride. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam selected her for himself and went out along with her till we reached Sadr Rawha, and she got purified. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam practiced coitus with her, then served as a kind of meal made of dates, cheese and ghee on a small leather sheet. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, call the people around you. This was the wedding feast given by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam for Hazrat Safiya. Then we proceed towards Madinah Munawwara. So I saw that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had covered her in a wrap over then. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat beside a camel and placed his knee. Hazrat Safiya put her foot on his knee and rode. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2235.